Hello everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start chapter 14 symmetry of class 7. So here in this chapter we'll discuss about that what is symmetry here. So let's start it now. I am going to take this one paper. It is a rectangular paper. What we'll do here, I am going to divide this one paper from the center. See, on dividing this, you can see here on folding this one line has divided this one rectangular paper, and it is going to divide into two equal parts, and you can see here this one part is overlapped by this. It means to say here when a diagram is going to divide into two equal parts and both parts of same shape, same size, that is known as symmetry. See here, on dividing this rectangular paper, I have got these two parts, and these two parts are of same shape, same size. So this is line as known as symmetry. Fine. This one line is the symmetry that which is going to divide it into two equal parts. So same here. Now see, come to this definition that reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry is a type of symmetry in which one half of the figure is an exact match of the other. It means to say here that when we are going to divide a diagram from the center, then one half of the figure will be exactly the same to the other half. Same here, I have taken this triangle and I have divided from the center. You can see that this one portion is same as this. It means it is going to overlap this. So it is known as symmetry here. See, the imaginary line. This one is imaginary line. The imaginary line that divides a figure into two equal identical halves. See here, these two halves are same, is called the line of symmetry or the axis of symmetry. Fine. So this one is known as line of symmetry in both the diagrams. See here, let's suppose this one diagram is given to us and they are asking to find the line of symmetry. See, here you can see in this diagram, as you can see here, this one hole is here. If I fold this into this one side to this one type, you can see here it is not having any other hole on this side. So what will happen, that it is not having a symmetry line, mean this one line will be not its symmetrical line. So what we'll do here, because I want that this half, this one circle should be same here. So what we'll do here, I will draw from the center in this way. Fine. On drawing this, we can see here that this one circle is going to be half from the center, and when I fold it in this way, then this was half circle, this one will be on the both the sides. So this one line will be its line of symmetry. So in this way you can draw its line of symmetry.